case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In State v. Petersen, a 1974 case heard by the Oregon Court of Appeals, a driver was found guilty of causing another person's death due to reckless driving. The incident occurred during an unauthorized high-speed street race with speeds of up to 70 to 80 miles per hour, where the driver ran afoul of the law in a zone with a posted speed limit of 35 miles per hour. The case hinged on the premise that drivers involved in street races may be held criminally liable for fatalities that occur as a result, with the liability persisting even if the deceased was part of the race. Furthermore, it was established that contributory negligence and assumption of risk could not be employed as defense mechanisms against criminal conviction. The guilt assigned to the defendant was comprehensive. They were found liable for manslaughter, hit and run, and failure to provide a name and address after the accident. The death of Daniel Warren, an innocent bystander unconnected with the street race, was attributed to the driver. Attempts by the defense to argue that Warren bore some responsibility for his fatal involvement in the incident were duly dismissed by the court. The court's primary objective was to determine whether the defendant's reckless actions directly caused Warren's death. In light of this aspect, the defendant was convicted on all counts, except on the charge of failure to provide name and address, which was merged into the hit-and-run charge. As the gavel came down, the driver was sentenced to 3 years of probation for each count. They were to be served concurrently. The charges were upheld, reinforcing the court's position on criminal conduct wrapped in reckless driving and denial of responsibility. Thereby, the verdict reaffirmed the gravity of the defendant's actions, underscoring the court's unwavering commitment to upholding law and order.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.